Hi guys, this is Kinjal and welcome back to my channel. Flexi working has reduced face-to-face interaction among teammates, and what better way to strengthen the bond than to go on a team trip. So here I am with my team to spend a day full of adventure at Sterling Nature Trails Durshet Forest Resort. The exact cost and package details are mentioned at the end of the video, so do watch till the end. We finished our group's registration at the reception and proceeded to have some yummy breakfast. Breakfast, lunch and high tea are included in the package, so we don't have to worry about food at all. We had a round of introduction for all the new members of our team so that we all can get to know each other better. It's now time to move to the activity area for some real adventure. The first challenge is the commando net, which is a little warm up before the real deal begins. And that's my hopelessly failed attempt at archery. Though some of my team members did a great job and almost hit the target. Then comes my favorite part, which is ziplining and the Burma bridge. What I really liked about this was the entire zone is set up amidst a forest which comes to life especially during the monsoons. Once you complete ziplining, you can start the high rope challenge, which consists of 5 different hurdles: the tire bridge, the vertical log, the horizontal net climbing, the tire swing and the Burma bridge. I skipped the tire swing since most of my strength was utilized in the vertical log and the horizontal net, but ideally you should try to do all of them together. After these tiring tasks, it is only ideal to rejuvenate at the freshwater stream just a few steps ahead. A splash of fresh water gets all the senses back to life. Post lunch, you can choose to play indoor games like carom and table tennis, or head out to the lawn for playing cricket. We also tried some team building activities so that people could get their brains running. The day trip package gives free access to the swimming pool as well, but expect it to be crowded at most times. That brings us to the end of our fun-filled team outing. I hope you enjoyed the video, and here are the package details.